Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Even if I'm not a member, but I heard na nagsabi naman po kayo at the beginning of the hearing na I am more than welcome to attend. 18.7 billion. Tama po ba? So tama po na on your documentation, there's no such thing as 23 billion for DPWH. So I think yung sagsadain, hindi niyo po kailangan mag-apologize. Doon sa document na hawak mo, there's no 23 billion.
21.7 billion and then 23. You're reacting to what Senator Escudero said na 23, which was submitted to us by the SCT, which were all your staff, and which I released to the media.
No.
And you've been going around saying mali numbers namin. So kung mali, correct it. Pero ang nagbigay ng number sa amin, staff mo, and you've been going around telling people, saan ba namin nanggaling? Eh, nanggaling nga sa staff mo. So, anong problema?
Mr. Chairman,
Listen to
Can
me
we
first.
just go back?
Listen to me first.
Magkano yung total?
Listen to me first, Senator.
Ang problema
I'm
kasi,
still the
Mr.
chair.
Chairman.
No, ang problema sa iyo, you keep going around saying, gusto ko makausap si Alan, gusto ko makausap si Cheese. Nagkita pa tayo sa party, may cellphone, hindi mo raw kami kinakausap, tapos manggugulo ka ngayon sa hearing.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I made my point. There's no such thing as 23 billion sa
Paulit na tayo
DPWH.
kanina
Thank you,
pa
Mr.
na
Chairman.
21.7 billion. Kabuang ka na, Day. Tapusin natin na maayos to. Senado to ng Pilipinas, hindi to palengke.